Guys, this is another Garvee product. I love their products. This is a 12-liter, 80-cup, or 3.2-gallon double wall commercial coffee maker. This is great for for your buffet, catering, weddings, gatherings, large capacity, hot coffee dispenser, stainless steel inside, or hot water as a hot water urn. Totally up to you. This thing is absolutely amazing. This is the best quality. You get the window right here so you can see how much water or coffee is left. You can see here. I love the black, very cool. Now we open this up here. We're making hot water with this one today, but you can see the large basket where you can put your coffee grinds in right there, so it filters right through. You don't get those pesky issues. It's really clean, stainless steel inside. You can see the hot water is just sitting there and just nice and hot, ready to go. I love the quality. Again, steam, hot, always nice, and it warms up very quickly. It's got a nice on and off switch, as you saw before. It's got the drip tray, as I showed you that in the beginning of the video. This is a fantastic. Look at how it looks here. You can get two of these, one for the coffee, one for hot water. Fantastic, easy to use, easy to clean, easy to fill, and most importantly, easy to empty. Garvee did it again. Thanks so much for good quality and fantastic quality products. Check out all their products on this site. I think that's the best quality for the best price out there at this time. So check it out. I love it. Max and minimum. You know everything at all times. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow for more.